Hello everybody and welcome to Blue Marble Science. Behold the #1 flat earth killer. Say goodbye to the flat earth. You know, Quantum Eraser takes credit for the badly flawed flat earth black swan argument. I got a feeling when we're done with him today, he will never have even heard of a swan, much less a black swan. In fact, he won't even know what the color black is. Bend over, Huey, and hold on. I'm about to park that black swan of yours where the sun doesn't shine.
Now, if you see this argument, let's go to this. If you see this argument presented by anyone in any other form than what I am going to lay out and did lay out before, that is word for word, including this modus tollens with the exact same photo, it is not the argument.
Here's the so-called black swan theory. We've already gone over this. If you're interested, pause the video and you can read this. Basically, what Quantum Eraser has done is tried to use this badly distorted screen capture from a video to prove that the earth is flat. Now we're going to figure out exactly how he did that and what's wrong with his argument. Quantum Eraser invokes the modus tollens argument. Now this comes out of propositional logic, and it's formally written that way. It simply means if P, then Q, not Q, therefore not P. Let me give you an example that they use. If an angle is inscribed in a semicircle, that's P. The angle must be a right angle. That's Q. The angle is not a right angle, Q. Therefore, the angle is not inscribed in a semicircle, P. That's the way it should work. It's pretty easy, huh? How could you screw that up? Well, it's Quantum Eraser, and that boy could screw up an anvil with a rubber hammer. Let's see how he did it. Here's Elmer Fudd's argument. If the Earth is a sphere with a radius of 3,959 miles, P, the geometric horizon can be no more than 1.22 miles from an observer at a 1-foot elevation. That's Q. Okay, no problem so far. The apparent horizon is more than 9 miles from a 1-foot observer. Well, that's got to be R. Wait a minute, Huey. There's no R in modus tollens. Where did you get that from? Therefore, the Earth is not a sphere, P. We got a couple of problems here. First of all, fail number 1. That is a false equivalence of the geometric and apparent horizons. We do not see the geometric horizon. The Earth has an atmosphere. The atmosphere refracts light, and we see an apparent horizon. This argument is dead at this point, but there's another problem, even if that wasn't wrong. Even if we pretended those horizons are the same, it only suggests that the radius of the Earth is wrong, not that the Earth is not spherical. That's 2 fails. I got an idea. Let's try this argument without messing things up. Let's try it this way. If the Earth is flat, P, then the horizon can never, ever, ever be in front of any object you see, Q. The horizon in this picture is clearly in front of both oil platforms, Q. Therefore, the Earth is not flat, P. Let's do it again. If the Earth is flat, P, then the horizon can never, ever, ever be in front of any object you see, Q. The horizon in this picture is clearly, obviously, in front of both oil platforms, Q. Therefore, the Earth cannot and is not flat, P. This picture proves the Earth cannot be flat. And it's not just this picture. There are thousands or hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of pictures where the horizon is in front of objects. That is undeniable. I'll tell you what, Huey, you're looking in the right place. And when you find that critter, you need to run along and get busy, because you've got some explaining to do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. There's a link to the Patreon. You'll find it up in the description. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Hey, Gladys. We're out of here.